Are you ready to unlock the secret to financial freedom? Brace yourself, because today we're diving into the captivating world of cryptocurrency investing. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey where fortunes are made, dreams are realized, and the potential for mind-blowing growth knows no bounds. Welcome to Savvy Stacks, your ultimate guide to cryptocurrency investing. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to help you navigate the world of digital assets with confidence. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the realm of cryptocurrencies. Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're demystifying cryptocurrency investing and equipping you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your crypto portfolio, this video is your roadmap to success. Step number 1. Understanding cryptocurrencies. Let's start by exploring the basics. What exactly are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions. They are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions. Step number 2. Types of cryptocurrencies. Not all cryptocurrencies are the same. Let's explore some of the most popular ones. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin are just a few examples of cryptocurrencies with unique features and potential for growth. Understanding the differences between them can help you make informed investment decisions. Step number 3. Choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. To buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, you'll need to choose a reliable exchange. Consider factors such as security, user interface, fees, and supported cryptocurrencies when selecting an exchange. Research and read reviews to ensure you're working with a reputable platform. Step number 4. Securing your digital assets. Protecting your cryptocurrencies is paramount. Here's how you can keep your investments safe. Use hardware wallets or reputable software wallets to store your cryptocurrencies offline. Enable two-factor authentication, use strong passwords, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Your security is in your hands. Step number 5. Navigating the volatility. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile. It's important to understand the risks and manage your investments wisely. Diversify your crypto portfolio, set realistic goals, and be prepared for market fluctuations. Stay informed about industry news and trends to make informed decisions. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to cryptocurrency investing. Remember, the crypto market is constantly evolving, so continue to educate yourself and stay up to date. With knowledge, patience, and careful decision-making, you can navigate this exciting landscape and potentially reap the rewards. Stay savvy, my friends. Subscribe to Savvy Stacks for more expert insights and tips on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. Together, let's conquer the world of cryptocurrencies.